friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here, and I'm here today with another Temu haul. So I got a bunch of wonderful items for crocheters. I'm trying out some yarn today, some craft tools, and I also got some things that bring joy and things for my little girl and for summer in general. So let's see what there is. I'm going to be sharing with you the different items and their prices so you can get a gauge as to different pieces and the quality is like for the price. I am always shocked by the amazing quality for the affordability that is offered at Temu. So let's take a look. I'm going to open up the box now. So one of the things I just opened up is this organizer tool. It's going to be a rolling cart and I can't wait to show you how it looks put together. On to the next here. It looks like a couple different things in this bag. For those of you who love enamel pins like me, there is a perfect little crochet pin. So I love that this is something that I can use to show off my crochet addiction. I'm gonna pin this to my tote bag, my project bag that I carry with me. It's a really nice size and weight. I'm going to be putting out a crochet roundup of keychains soon, and just to go along with that, you can find some lovely, beautiful keychain pieces to add to it. Isn't this so pretty? You can see that there's a little cherry blossom, my favorite flower ever, and these lovely dropped flowers. Leaf. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this is definitely gonna go in my bag with some of my crochet keychains. This next one I'm super excited to share with you about. I finally got on the yarn section of the store in Teemu, and I'm like dying to try out all their yarns. They have so many different lovely kinds that I've seen. They have beautiful gradients and like ombre shades, variegated yarns, solid color yarns. And for this haul, I am trying out this nylon yarn. I got it in some different colors, as you can see, and I kind of went with a neutral color tones. I have white, a light gray, kind of a beige or off-white color, and a light, I guess khaki or light brown sort of color. And I think these would be absolutely great to use with bags. Let me just open one of them to show you sort of the material that this yarn is. It is super unique because, as you know, as a crochet blogger, I have scoured so many different yarn brands and sites to see the types of yarns available, and I'm gonna tell you up front, you are not going to find this kind of yarn for a better price elsewhere, period. This is really quality yarn, super durable, and I'll give you a closer look of this in a bit, but this nylon yarn is perfect for home dec kind of items. So I am thinking here like baskets, bags, pouches, things that you want to make more sturdy, and we'll go through some use. So I'm really grateful to have found this type of yarn. It's really taut, and this kind does not stretch at all. This is a non-stretchy type of nylon yarn. I also wanted to share this cool tool that I got. This is a hole puncher, or kind of like a fabric puncher to poke into tougher materials, fabrics, felts, like leather if you use that. And I like that it's double bagged for to keep it, you know, nice and safe. But this is really handy for crocheters who use a bit of that mixed media. You can get like a liner. So I can imagine this as a great use for making slippers or bags, because you might use, instead of crocheting every single part of the slipper or bag, you might get like a leather sole for the slipper, or like a leather base for the bag. And this tool you would use to punch really even holes into the base, into that cloth or fabric or whatever material base, and you can crochet into those holes. So I'm gonna look at that, and I love that it comes in 4 different pieces. You get them in different, they also have like the sizes written on them here, so it's really convenient to use. Crochet keychains. You can also get a bunch of different types of lanyards through Temu. I got a really standard looking one here, but they have some really pretty and cute ones as well. I was trying to resist not to buy anything too cutesy for my staff lanyard, because some of you may know I work at a high school, and if I'm wearing things that are way too cutesy, it's not it would look weird. So I have to hold myself back and get more serious looking badges. But this one is like amazing quality for the price, and I can pin my crochet enamel pin to it. Isn't that great? And I love that it has like a little badge holder that you can just add your ID in for easy access. So really happy with this. All right, friends, and now it's time for my happy haul part. So part of my haul is crochet related, and the other part is like for summer stuff and stuff that just brings me joy. This is, oh my gosh, take a look. Oh, isn't that such a realistic sloth? So some of you may know this, but my daughter is obsessed with sloths. She loves sloths so much. And I just saw this little guy online, and I was like, I cannot resist. He's too cute. He's super realistic looking. Like, look at his little face. Oh my god. Oh, he's got a little nose and everything. Oh, I want to boop it. So I'm honestly so shocked at how realistic he looks. And he's like super soft and petable. Oh. I think I might need this emotional support sloth, but I am going to, it'll be a surprise for my daughter. I'll hold myself back, or maybe I'll just get another one because it's way too cute. We could get matching sloths. Mom and daughter matching sloth dolls. That should be a thing. All right, so this little guy, definitely really happy with this purchase. Here's a little something else for my daughter. It is the cutest little knit cardigan. I love how soft it is. I know you can't feel this as you watch my video, but it is super soft. And I just find little white cardigans to be so easy to match with any outfit. You can just wear a cute little colorful summer dress underneath and pair it with a cardigan above. So this one is, I can't wait to have my daughter wear it. I am loving like all the beautiful detailing that goes into this as well. Definitely a lovely design. And here's another piece of apparel for my daughter. I got this lovely little girl's dress. Look at that. So I love that the fabric is super light and airy. It is perfect for summer. Absolutely what I was looking for. We are going on a trip to Taiwan this summer where it's going to be super hot and humid. So this is going to be a lovely choice to wear. I really love that the stitching is done so nicely. And aren't the designs just so cute? Like this little butterfly sort of wing ruffle. And the floral design is so pretty. Okay, and here's something I got in preparation for my daughter's daycare. Actually, she's going to a daycare where they're going to be wearing some indoor shoes at school. And I was like, oh my gosh, definitely, you know, now for everything I buy, I'm like, I'm going to look in Temu first. So saw this for an amazing price on Temu, had to get it. These are cute little indoor soles and great for those of you who live in the Pacific Northwest like I do, or in cold climates in general. And as you can see, it's a nice like felt material and super soft, gonna keep our feet warm. And I love that it's super bendable as well. So definitely a comfy piece of slipper. And this last one that I'm about to show you is something for myself. Oh, I couldn't help it. So I saw these really cute Mary Jane clogs and I was like, so for the summer, we're going somewhere really hot and humid. I shared earlier, to Taiwan. And I have no like nice waterproof shoes that are also like closed-toed sandals. They're all like just flip-flops. So I'm like, I need something to walk around in that is like, that will keep me cool, but also keep my toes safe. And this is like the perfect thing ever. I love that it has this hinge in the back to keep your sandals from slipping easily. And oh my gosh, it's just so cute. So they do have some different colors available, but I chose this turmeric color, which I think is like, reminds me of summer. And it's definitely check out their color choices. There's like black, pink, some brown, and just all around awesome summery items. Thank you so much, friends, for checking out my Temu haul with me. Definitely take a look here. I've got in the description box and in the pinned comments my link so that you can download the Temu app and get $100 of coupons. It's so amazing because they have like the best prices already. So on top of that, coupons are just like such a treat. And definitely use my code. If you don't go through the link, you can use my code as well. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned because I'm definitely going to have more awesome finds for crafters, for mamas, for you know this world. So stay tuned. All right, bye now.